Hello everyone, welcome back to Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. I'm Chef John. Rebecca's working the camera. Today we got one of our favorite companies that send us stuff to review. It's Laralov. Man, we love their products. Now I'll let you know, only the cooking stuff they send us is on Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. If you want to see their other products, go on over to Good to Know and see everything that we've got from them. It'll be posted over there. And this will finally make its way over there too. So please go check out Good to Know and check out all of our reviews. To do this time, they call it a spice and nut grinder. It does so much more. It'll do, as they say, spices, nuts, coffee. You can grind breadcrumbs in it. You can do fresh stuff in it. Say if you wanted to mince some onions, if you want to do your ginger, you can do. Again, you can do fresh stuff. You can do dehydrated stuff. I mean, it's unlimited. All your spices. So, but we're just going to show you with some coffee. I don't have time to grind everything, which we don't have a whole lot to grind. So we're going to try something that if it'll grind coffee, it'll grind anything else. And we're also going to show you a quick way if you want to use it for other items, what to put in there and how to clean it real quick to get all the mess out. So let's go ahead and look at this thing first before we even get going. Even though I showed you the box, we're going to take a peek. So it comes with this wonderful pamphlet. It says instructions and recipe booklet. Well, it has the instructions, but what they're calling the recipe of how to grind stuff and what you can grind and the coarseness of them. So it'll actually do, where did I see that? It'll do coarse, medium, fine, and pulverized. So if you have some spices you already have and you want to break them down even further, you can do it in this machine. So it comes with a nice little scoop, little brush. The top locks in. It turns counterclockwise to lock it in. So this is a good thing. So if you're grinding coffee and stuff, this stuff ain't flying all over the place. It's encapsulated in this. So like that. And then it comes with a gasketed rubber top that fits real fine in there.
Nothing's getting out of there.
It has the max of how much you can put in here. And I would suggest you never get close to the max on these things. You can if you want to, but just for your product's wear and tear, I'd stay a little bit under it just to be on that. This comes off for easy cleaning, so everything can everything go in the dishwasher. But I would say with this rubber ring, wash that by hand, because you know how they do in your dishwashers, they'll shrink and stuff. But if you won't put it in there, go ahead. And here's the knob. It has a pulverize over here, off would be 0, and then it has a 1 and a 2 grind. And the easy turn. Yep, easy turn. And the pulverize, I think you just got to hold it because it'll flip back on you. So you just hold it down to what you need. Non-skid feet, little rubber suction cups on the bottom. They'll actually, if it wasn't wood here, it'd probably stick a little bit. Has a little, shows you the little locking mechanism here when you hit it, which way to turn it and unlock it. So we're gonna test this thing out. So we're gonna put it back in here. You can see the little divots in here and here where to fit. It also has an arrow, show you where to put the arrow to arrow, and you just turn it clockwise, this one to lock it, the other one would be the opposite way. So I'm going to plug this in and we're going to try some. So somebody where I work, their family owns this Jag's Head coffee, so we're going to try that.
Smells good.
Yeah, smells really good. We're gonna fill it about halfway up. And I'll have me some coffee ready to go in the morning. I done had my coffee for today. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the top on it. Sorry about that, I had it on 1 and it started. So make sure you have it on 0 when you put the lid on. But as you see, it has a safety mechanism on this. That's a good thing that it done that. It has a safety mechanism on this, so it's not gonna run until you get this outer cap on there, okay? So that's a double protection to keep you anything wild happening here. So if you put it on P, it's you just grind it by hand. It's gonna grind until you let go of it. If you put it on 1, it's gonna do the slow grind. And that way, and it's clear glass up here, you can see your grind to when you know when to stop. So and 2 should be faster, so we'll try 2. So when you're grinding it, you can see down in it, it's like a little swirl, a little whirlpool. So
Over here, and we'll.
I don't know if you can see down in there. I don't want to tip it up. Rebecca's going to hold the camera on it and look down in it. I'm going to take the lid off. So again, clockwise to unlock the top. And we're going to pull the lid off. Take my little spoon and I'm going to put some on this little white thing, and you'll see this grind it did. Come on down here to this little thing. Look at that fine, and it looks very consistent in here. And that's the kind I like when I do my little individual cups that I make. You can grind this as fine as you want. Like I said, you have the option of sitting here watching it and controlling it when it cuts off, because you can see it. So
Look how clean.
Yeah, nothing here. This is the outer lid, so nothing got dirty. Just make sure you put this one on good and tight. It's almost like a jelly jam jar. It just kind of slips on top. Or a can like the little ones that come with the candles. That's what it looks like. So it keeps everything in there. Nothing's dirty or anything other than when I pulled it out of there. So we're gonna put this in a little container, and I'm gonna show you a little. Seeing how this Chef John quick tips. I'm gonna show you a little quick tip. As you can see, I hope you can see, there's just a little bit of residue in there. So we're gonna put this back on. We're gonna take some rice. We're gonna pour it in here, and it's just enough to cover the blade. Just enough to cover the blade. Can you see it in?
Mm-hmm.
All right, just enough to cover the blade. We're gonna put the lid back on. Oh, wait a minute. We gotta put this back on too. And just to help it get it as clean as you can, if you can wipe it down. And rice also will help get any moisture out of there if you're doing any other stuff and it's like fresh stuff, you know, wick some of that moisture off. Make sure that's on there really well. Put the lid on, lock it in place. We're gonna do it fast. We have it. Again, clean, nothing flew all over the place. Lid stayed on. See the powder. at that. Clean. All you just need to do is rinse it out a little bit or blow it. There's no smell. You can't even smell the coffee that I just grinded in there. And you can see it where it picked up. You can see where it picked up some of that. So we're going to try this. Rebecca put a little spritz of soap in there and regular clean sink water.
Diluted soap, very weak
Yeah.
solution.
And if you've seen our quick tips, it shows how we do that. So we're just going to pour this water in here. Put the lid on here. Put the lid on there tight. Let's give it a little turn, make sure it's in there. Put this on. Turn it to the left and to your right until it locks in. So you just go rinse your lid off. Just a little bubblies in there, just needs to be rinsed out. So there you go. It's clean. Like I said, it just needs to take a little rinsing. No smell. I'll let Rebecca do the smell test too. Just nothing.
Just smells a little bit like soap.
Love this Laralov spice grinder. Thank you for sending this to us. The good things about this, you just turn it and you don't have to hold it down and keep pushing it. Just watch it till you get the grinds you want. Again, it's double covered in there, so it's not going to spew out everywhere. Wonderful product.
It's the cleanest one we've ever used.
Clean, yeah, definitely. I have another one up there that I just do my coffee on, and yeah, it gets a little dirty. This one's all encapsulated, works fine. You see how easy to clean it is to clean it. So hope you enjoyed this. We're gonna get some awful good use out of this. Will be Rebecca's little baby, I'm sure. So she'll do a lot of spices. Like I said, I do have a coffee grinder, but I love how that works. So hope you, if you want this, we'll leave a link down in the show more. Click on that little thing right below the video on the left-hand side. A lot of you don't know that. Drop screen will come down, has all kind of information in there. So check that out. Most important, we want to thank y'all for coming. First time here, please subscribe. There's a little bell icon. Click on that and you'll get all the notifications when our new videos come out. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and most important, y'all come back. Bye.